These have all been, well, the last two cylindrical, these very round. That were someone in between. I want to make an oval, literally a flat, what I call a flounder vase. So 2 1/4 pound of clay. Get it centered and pull up a form that's rather bulbous. Walls are thin. Walls are 3/8 of an inch thick. I'm going to put it into an oval. And again, I use the masonite. Now, it helps if you're looking down the line. Now, I'm not ovaling the floor of this pot. I'm just touching the masonite at the bottom and then pressuring it closed as it comes to the top. Now this form gives me a great surface to decorate on if I want to use a brush later on when I'm glazing.